Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your ultimate destination for real, raw, and reliable automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into something massive, both in size and innovation: the 2026 Kenworth T2050 Motorhome. This beast of a machine is turning heads in the luxury motorhome space, and for good reason. From the outside, the T2050 looks like a highway king. It's built on a heavy-duty truck chassis, giving it a commanding presence with chrome accents, LED light bars, and a sleek aerodynamic profile that somehow makes a 45-foot home on wheels look elegant. Now let's step inside, because this is where the magic really happens. The interior of the Kenworth T2050 feels less like an RV and more like a luxury penthouse suite. You've got heated and cooled leather captain chairs, a massive 75-inch retractable smart TV, a full kitchen with marble countertops, and even a walk-in rain shower in the bathroom. And yes, the lighting and temperature are fully voice-controlled. Under the hood, it's powered by a 15-liter Cummins X15 diesel engine, pushing out a mind-blowing 605 horsepower and over 2,000 lb-ft of torque. That means even when you're hauling this luxury palace across a mountain pass, it won't break a sweat. The ride quality is surprisingly smooth, thanks to Kenworth's next-gen adaptive suspension system, which automatically adjusts to road conditions in real time. On the tech side, you're getting a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system with full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, plus a 360-degree camera system that makes parking this beast feel like a video game. Now let's talk about what really matters to most of us: comfort and convenience. The Kenworth T2050 has a slide-out master bedroom, a full-size washer-dryer combo, and even a rooftop deck with solar panels and retractable shade awnings. Whether you're camping in the Rockies or glamping in the desert, this rig's got you covered. But of course, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. With a starting price north of $700,000, the Kenworth T2050 is clearly aimed at the high-end market. But for those who can afford it, you're not just buying a motorhome, you're investing in a lifestyle. So, is the 2026 Kenworth T2050 worth it? If you're looking for the perfect blend of trucking power, luxury living, and cutting-edge tech, this might just be the ultimate ride for life on the road. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more reviews like this. Only on Honest Auto Wheels. See you in the next one.